Following a busy week of both earnings and economic releases, we turn to the week ahead. It will be another important week for corporate earnings with dozens of S&P 500 companies reporting results. So far, the majority of companies have outperformed fairly contained expectations on both the top and bottom lines. On Tuesday, the ISM Services Index is released. After dipping into contractionary territory in May, the index recovered in June, and the consensus expects this recovery to continue in this week's data. We will be particularly interested in the employment and prices paid sub-indices for any indication of underlying labor market and inflation trends. On Thursday, we will have our eyes on second quarter non-farm productivity data. Productivity is simply a measure of economic output per hour worked. Many market participants expect a recovery in U.S. productivity in coming quarters and years, given the increased use of automation and artificial intelligence. It is still far too early to know the eventual impact, but we will be watching this data more closely than in years past. Also, on Thursday will be weekly jobless claims, which are an important indicator of the underlying health of the labor market. We will be especially focused on continuing jobless claims, where we have seen a move higher this year. So items to watch this week: 1. Corporate earnings, 2. ISM services, 3. Non-farm productivity, 4. Jobless claims.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons referenced, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth FCW is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bancshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bancshares are the entities through which FCW products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through FCIS, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals in all jurisdictions or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through FCIS, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and SVB, a division of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. For more information about FCIS, FCAM, or SVBW and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.